Guess you can call this what do they call that shit? The mukbang, whatever you call it. I guess that's what you call it. Who I'd like to bang. But anyway, I seen that. Crap. What we doing, boy? Now back in the day, my buddy of mine, oh boy, he would have put him to sleep. I'll never forget that. Back in '05 or something like that, he got up to that machine and told that lady, "Let me get 3 Big Macs, 2 10 chicken selects." I was like, "I don't know about that." When you ready to feel like you're ready to start, you probably put away 2 of them. But damn, that was something. He put away the water. He put away the 2 big submarines, rough with it. They wouldn't have made it. Yeah. That stuff that he would have put them to sleep, like on that episode of what the hell was that cartoon? Hey Arnold. That contest, that boy got so stuffed, he passed out in his own food plate. How about that? He got passed out good, trying to get in there and eat. So, ginger ale. Some mukbang. I guess you call this a mini one. Set up this camera different too. I wanted to see something. Now that the camera is finally working right. You don't know what the hell I clicked. Cause that thing, before that, all those videos, damn, 1 minute was looking dark, then the next one looked like the room was full of smoke. I don't know what the hell going on back there. Oh, I wish I had known that. Like I said, I wish I had known that 50 videos ago. Something. On videos, messed up. Damn. Keep this cap off. Man, I hate that. But now, what's that about this? Oh, this channel business here. I know I picked up about, what did I say it was? 8 to 10 new subscribers, and y'all ain't talking. What's going on back there? I hope it ain't a bunch of James Bond and 007 stuff. Was sit back there and be quiet, or you being like the guy from the Tsushima game, the Ghost, Sakai, not saying nothing. How about that? I'm calling him the Ghost. And these nuggets look like they look like McDonald's. They're not McDonald's. Look like McDonald's. Got them from Walmart. They're about looking like McDonald's nuggets almost. Exactly what they look like. But what else to do here? All these videos and say something. Any suggestions? Posting a comment what you want me to react to. That's another thing. I can't react to everything because the stupid copyright. Yeah. Video the other day, what was that? Oh, Malik and Jamal. They went through. I was surprised. Now the Young Jay-Z video, that it's copyright. And even though they didn't take it down, the copyright can still turn into a strike. So, gotta be cool now. So, react to all that stuff. Like how them folks, like that channel, how they be reacting to the movies and stuff. Even though they cut a lot of stuff, I don't know how they be reacting to it. Because that's some movie. And be reacting to new stuff. I'm not talking about the old stuff. I don't know how they let that slide, but they cut it out. They're not about to react to a 2-hour-long movie. Like I started to react to old Victor, but I wanted to mess around and talk about us, the copyright. Damn shit. But I forgot about that. If you do see a video and it's not there anymore, I moved it to the Mr. Cash World Facebook. Some of y'all don't mess with Facebook no more, but I moved it over there. So you'll watch it. Watch the video about yesterday, the honey buns. I don't know about saying that was copyright. It was about how to create, how do people make the honey buns. Still look like donuts, but whatever. That's moved to the Facebook. Even The Rock and Andre Thompson. Not Dwayne The Rock Johnson, the other Rock. No, that junk was serious. He's getting ready for the campaign. Next thing you know, look who shows up. Andre, what the hell are you doing in here? That was some good acting back then, boy. And that show was still not on DVD, and I don't see it on no on demand station. I don't know where they posted that, but somewhere. I was just posting clips of it. And these are just as good as the McDonald's nuggets. Season these fries here. It had no taste on it. Season the fry. Garlic powder. Not garlic powder. Garlic salt. But yeah, this channel business. It is stuck, boy. It's moving a little bit, but it's sluggish for about 2 years now. I'm not seeing any other ideas. Now that the camera's fixed, that would have been sickening. Going to get a new camera, and this one's perfectly fine. It's just, what the hell did I hit? Because the computer has, if you have a camera, it has a built-in camera, but it might have been their camera, because this, the way this looks now wasn't the way that was looking before. Because before, like I said, with the blurriness, Uncle was full of smoke. The channel. What I do here? I still gotta build up the Fig Collector channel. Stupid, I had to start the channel over. I couldn't change the name, so I lost over 400 subscribers because it wouldn't let me change the name. So I had to start the whole channel over because I couldn't fix it. I hate that. That was stupid. All because I wanted to change the name of the channel. So, don't know, man. What can I do to fix it? I'm talking about the main channel now. Get this thing moving here. Like I said, whoever's watching ain't say nothing. And then get more comments on the old videos. That's another thing. How the hell are you even finding that stuff? That's videos like 5, 6 years old. I can remember I first made the Miss King video. They was carrying. They wouldn't stop sweating that. And it was no big deal. You know, some old wrestling videos, probably from 2015 or something like that. But Bruce, I don't know whatever happened to Bruce. I guess he's doing something else now. But how they found them old videos. Cause the old videos probably get more comments and views than the new ones. Kind of backwards, but okay. Eat up all the good fries. Getting back to the tough fries there. Tough now. I ate the good fries up. The old boy killed all them Big Macs. No, he had me laughing. Almost fell on the damn floor. I thought about this one day. He said, what the hell is he talking about? He said the soda was stale. I said, what the hell? The soda is stale. I was like, I don't know about that. And then somebody was like, no, you mean the soda is flat. I was like, I don't know, that sounds any better. Hell, you mean the soda is flat now? The soda is flat. Yeah. I guess you meant the just the stuff in the soda, what is the stuff, the fizz. That shit was funny as hell though. This guy talking about the soda was stale. I was like, what the f you talking about? You can drink it, but it tastes like crap. I about killed this plate, boy. This was I said the fries and nuggets is about gone. Now he gone now. Just about 8 pieces of it. He gone now. That I don't know who invented that mess with that air fryer was hell, boy. I was thinking about this, or having the Mr. Cass sandwich. I bet you them the mukbang folks, they couldn't finish 2 or 3 of them now. They'll be like dude on Hey Arnold. They'll have their face in the plate like this, passed out. What was that dude's name? Okay, that kid was eating everything. Called him the not the compactor. What they call him? The disposal or something like that. He said he was eating everything. Didn't even get tired. Didn't break a sweat. Next thing you know, I think Arnold took 2 or 3 more bites, and the other dude passed out in his own food. I was like, yeah, well, that was it. I remember my other buddy was talking about that with Thanksgiving. Got carried away, and he said, He's like, got too full, didn't you? You said you got to lay there and suffer with it. I was like, hell no, you lay there and suffer with it. Ain't that right, Paul? Just got carried away. Anyway, like I said, give me some who's ever watching, because I know there's like, it'd be like 30 people watching and didn't say nothing. But okay, you say something, give you some idea what to react to. And nothing too crazy, because like I said, you love the copyright, and you're not stealing the people's stuff. It's reaction. They even said 100 times about the fair use thing. I even tried to see if Boog would respond. He never responded, unfortunately, because he knows about that stuff better than me. So, because I thought the fair use thing meant like if the video was 20 minutes and you use a 5-minute clip, that's nothing. Now, if you use the whole video, it's not. That's a whole nother story. So, yeah, a 5-minute clip, that's nothing. If you're using the man's whole video, you don't gotta kiss his ass, but you can shout him out or something. Like if somebody like my boy sent me last year, he sent me Nintendo 64, no charge, no nothing. I said shout out to my boy Lorenzo, saying I even showed him the video. So some people, they ain't gonna do all that. They're just gonna take the shit and go running. So anyway, man, if you're paying attention, wherever you is, comment and subscribe or something. What did Taz man say a few years ago? We was up there talking, and it was like 5, 6, 7 people looking at us. So like, what the hell y'all looking at? I'm about looking at us because we look pretty. Know about that? That ain't it. And I know that damn well that ain't it. So it's like he was like, tell us to go to hell, do something. Just staring like a strange person. What the hell? What the hell? What the Sam hell?